Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a demo account, also known as a paper trading account in TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully set up practice account so you can test trading ideas without risking any real money. If you've ever wanted to try trading or just want to familiarize yourself with TradingView's platform, this is the perfect place to start. Let's dive right in. First, let's find where these demo accounts live in TradingView. Look down towards the bottom of your TradingView window, you'll see what's called the trading panel. It might take a second to spot if you're new to the layout, but it's always down at the very bottom. The trading panel is basically your launchpad for anything related to actual trading. When you're ready, give it a click to open it up. Now in the trading panel, you'll see a bunch of brokers and platforms you can connect with. What we want here is paper trading. This is actually TradingView's built-in demo trading system. Find the paper trading option and select it. This is an important step because it tells TradingView you want to practice and not use any real funds. Once you've clicked on paper trading, you'll see a connect button. Click that and TradingView will get your demo trading environment ready to go. Next up, you'll want to actually create a paper trading account. This is what lets you start practicing with simulated money. Once you've connected, there should be an option or a small account icon. Give that a click and look for Create Account or a similar prompt. This is where you personalize your paper trading account. Now here's the fun part, setting up your account parameters. You'll be asked to set an account name. Try to pick something specific, especially if you might make several demo accounts in the future. For example, maybe call it Beginner Practice or Growth Strategy Test, whatever helps you remember what you're using it for. After the name, you'll be able to adjust your starting balance. This is how much virtual cash your practice account gets. The neat thing here is you can try out trading strategies with a variety of balance sizes. Maybe you want to start with $10,000 to simulate a real scenario, or crank it up higher to test bigger trades. Think about what fits your goals or what you might work with in the real world. Next, you can set your leverage. Leverage is basically borrowed money that can amplify both potential profits and losses. For practice, maybe start with lower or default leverage unless you're specifically wanting to see how higher leverage changes your trades. Don't worry if you're not sure here. Your paper account is for learning, so you can always adjust later. You'll also see a place to set a commission. This represents the fees you'd normally pay per trade with a real broker. It's a good idea to put in a realistic number if you plan to simulate a real trading environment, just so your results reflect what you might actually experience. Once you're happy with all your settings, go ahead and press Create. It may take a moment for TradingView to get everything set up, but after that, press Trade Now, and that's it. You now have a fully functional demo account, ready for you to practice trades, test new strategies, and learn, all with zero risk to your real money. Take your time exploring the demo account. Remember, there's absolutely no pressure here. It's totally normal if you need to tweak your settings or even start again with a new paper account. The idea is to build your confidence and get comfortable with the platform before you go live. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button to let me know, and don't hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I love helping out. And of course, subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.